Hi students, welcome back. In the last class, we have discussed Pythagoras theorem. Today, we are going to continue the word problems from the textbook. Let's learn an example from the textbook, page number 187. Students, look at this problem. What is the length of the diagonal of the rectangle below? In the question, we have to find the length of the diagonal AC. Here AB equal to 12 meter and AD equal to 5 meter. Students, here ABCD is a rectangle. We know that the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So AB equal to CD, which is equal to 12 meter, and BC equal to AD, which is equal to 5 meter. Okay. In triangle ABC, AC is the hypotenuse of the triangle. AC is the hypotenuse. Then AB is the base of the triangle, which is equal to 12 meter. Then BC is the altitude of this triangle. So BC equal to 5 meter. Then by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. Okay? Which is equal to base 12 meter. 12 square plus altitude 5 meter. 5 square. Okay. 12 square plus 5 square. Which is equal to 12 square is 144 plus 5 square is 25. So it becomes 144 plus 25, which is equal to 169. So hypotenuse square is equal to 169. That is AC square is equal to 169. Then AC equal to square root of 169, which is equal to 30. Okay. Because 13 square is equal to 169. Then square root of 169 is equal to 30. So the diagonal of the given figure AC equal to 30 meter. Next we shall do the exercise question from the textbook, page number 188. What is the length of the fourth side of the quadrilateral shown below? Here we name the quadrilateral as ABCD. Okay. Then draw a line D through the point D and is parallel to AB. Now ABED is a rectangle. Okay. We know that the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So AB equal to ED equal to 24 centimeter. Then AD equal to BE equal to 8 centimeter. Then we have to find the length of EC. Length of EC equal to length of BC minus length of B. Okay, so it becomes 15 minus 8, which is equal to 7 centimeter. So length of EC equal to 7 centimeter. Next we have to find the length of CD. Here triangle EDC is a right angled triangle. Then by Pythagoras theorem, CD square is equal to ED square plus EC square, which is equal to 24 square plus 7 square. 24 square is equal to 576. 7 square equal to 49. So it becomes 576 plus 49, which is equal to 625. So CD square is equal to 625. We have to find CD. CD equal to square root of 625. We know that 25 square is equal to 625. Then square root of 625 is equal to 25. Okay. So the length of the fourth side of the quadrilateral is 25 centimeter. Next we have to do one more question from the textbook, page number 189. The picture shows a plot of land in the form of a right-angled triangle joined to a square. The total area of the plot is 2200 square meters. What is its perimeter? In the question, we have to find the perimeter of the whole plot. In the question, given that total area of the plot is equal to 2200 square meter. Okay. Here, the given plot is divided into two, square plot and the triangular plot. Then, the area of the square plot ABCD is equal to 40 square because all sides of the square are equal, 40 centimeter each. Okay. So, area of the square plot ABCD is equal to 40 square, which is equal to 1600 square meter. Okay. Next we have to find the area of the triangular plot. Area of the triangular plot is the difference of the area of the square plot from the total area of the plot. That is, area of the triangular plot is equal to total area of the plot minus area of the square plot. Total area of the plot 2200. Area of the square plot 1600. Then area of the triangular plot is equal to 2200 minus 1600, which is equal to 600 square meter. Okay. Next we have to find the length of B. In the figure, triangle BEC is a right-angled triangle. Here, BE and BC are its perpendicular sides. Here, BE is the base and BC is the height. Okay. We know that area of a right-angled triangle is half into base into height. So, area of triangle BEC is equal to half into base into height. We know that area of triangle BEC is 600 square meter. So 600 is equal to half into base into height. That is half into BE into 40. Okay. Because height is equal to 40 meter. Then we cancel 40 and 2. So we got 20. That is 600 is equal to B into 20. Okay. Then we have to find B. B equal to 600 divided by 20. 600 divided by 20 is 30. So the length of B equal to 30 meter. Next we have to find the length of C. In the right angled triangle BEC, C is the hypotenuse. Okay. Then by Pythagoras theorem, C square is equal to BE square plus BC square. Okay. C square is equal to BE square plus BC square. We know that BE equal to 30 meter and BC equal to how much meter? 40 meter. So C square is equal to 30 square plus 40 square. Okay. 30 square is equal to 900 and 40 square is equal to 1600. So C square is equal to 900 plus 1600, which is equal to 2500. That is, C square is equal to 2500. We know that C is equal to square root of 2500. Square root of 2500 is 50 because 50 into 50 is 2500. So 50 square is equal to 2500. Then square root of 2500 is equal to 50. Okay. So the length of the hypotenuse C equal to 50 meter. we have to find the perimeter of the given plot. Okay. We know that perimeter is the sum of all sides. So the perimeter of the given plot A, B, E, C, D, A is AB plus BE plus EC plus CD plus TA. Okay, which is equal to 40 plus 30 plus 50 plus 40 plus 40. So 40 plus 30, 70. 70 plus 50, 120. 120 plus 40, 160. 160 plus 40, 200. So the perimeter of the given plot is equal to 200 meter. Students, do the remaining exercise question from the textbook page number 189. Okay children, today's class is over. Thank you.